Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into the delightful world of Masu Zushi, a traditional sushi from the scenic Toyama Prefecture in Japan. If you're a sushi lover, this one's a must-try, and I'm here to walk you through its rich history and unique preparation. So let's get rolling. First off, a bit of history. Masu Zushi dates back to the Edo period around 1717, becoming a staple in Toyama's culinary scene. It's more than just food, it's a piece of cultural heritage, carrying the flavors and craftsmanship of centuries. Now let's talk ingredients and how this dish comes together. The star of Masu Zushi, trout or salmon, lightly seasoned with salt to bring out its natural flavors. This seasoned fish is then meticulously layered over vinegared rice. But here's the twist. It's all pressed into a circular form using a wooden mold called Wappa and wrapped in bamboo leaves. These leaves aren't just for aesthetics, they infuse a subtle aroma into the sushi, enhancing its flavor profile. Want to try making it at home? Here's a simplified twist using ingredients you might actually have. Start with the vinegared rice. Mix warm, freshly cooked rice with a blend of sushi vinegar and sugar, about a tablespoon each per cup of rice. Gently fold it to distribute the vinegar without mashing the grains. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to soak up all those flavors. For the fish, a light sprinkle of salt does the trick. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not overpower. Now, instead of bamboo leaves, let's go a bit unconventional. Large lettuce leaves will do the job. Lay these leaves in a round cake pan, add your vinegared rice, top it with seasoned fish, and wrap it up. Press it down with a plate to keep everything tight and tidy, then let it chill in the fridge. Once it's set, slice it like a pie, and voila, your homemade Masu Zushi is ready to impress. If you're ever in Toyama, you've got to check out local spots like Masu Zushi Sen or Yoshimura for an authentic taste. Each place has its own twist on this classic, making each bite a new discovery. So, there you have it. Masu Zushi isn't just a meal, it's a journey through the taste and traditions of Toyama. If you like this dive into Japanese culinary arts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more. Thanks for watching and happy eating. Remember, the key to great Masu Zushi is in the details. Every slice, every layer, every wrap. Patience is essential. Letting the sushi rest and chill allows the flavors to meld beautifully. And there you have it, a masterpiece of flavor and tradition right in your own kitchen. Enjoy. Let's dive deeper into the preparation. Start by filleting the trout or salmon. Make sure to remove all the bones for a smooth texture. Slice the fillets into thin, even pieces. This ensures that the fish layers evenly over the rice. Lightly salt the fish and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This step enhances the flavor and firms up the texture. While the fish rests, prepare your Wappa mold. Line it with bamboo leaves, ensuring they overlap slightly to cover the entire base. Spread a layer of vinegared rice evenly in the mold. Use the back of a spoon to press it down gently. Next, arrange the fish slices over the rice, making sure to cover the entire surface. Add another layer of vinegared rice on top of the fish, pressing it down gently to compact the layers. Finish with a final layer of fish, ensuring an even distribution. Close the Wappa mold and press it down firmly. This step is crucial for the sushi to hold its shape. Wrap the sushi in the bamboo leaves and tie it securely. This helps to infuse the sushi with a subtle bamboo aroma. Place the wrapped sushi in the fridge and let it chill for at least 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once chilled, unwrap the sushi and slice it into portions. Each slice should reveal the beautiful layers of rice and fish. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted Masu Zushi, ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit!